G'day guys, welcome to Motorfields. I am Rob Hamilton. In today's episode I'm going to teach you how to create your own self-isolated preset for Lightroom Mobile absolutely for free. This is one of my top presets I use for when I take a photo and there's some green in it and I want to keep those earthy tones. And this is the one that I'm going to give you today for free. No downloading required. You can just type in all the settings that I'm going to give you, and you can just put that straight into your Lightroom mobile app, which you can download from Google Store or the Apple Store for free. You can have that. You can have this preset forever. So let's jump into that. Before I do though, I do have a whole preset pack for sale. It's in the description below. Check it out. They're like 25 bucks. So lap them up. 15 presets. 15 preset bangers for your goodness. Let's jump in. Open your Lightroom mobile app. You're gonna hit the little plus photo icon down the bottom right hand side. You're gonna go from camera roll, and that's how it looked before. So let's reset this bad boy. Okay, so first I'm editing this for Instagram. So the right resolution for Instagram is 5:4. I'm gonna rotate that around by hitting the top left hand little rotatey icon there. Okay, we're just gonna slide along. You're gonna open up the light. So this is exposure, contrast, highlights, everything to do with light. Okay, so you want to slide your contrast to 30, highlights up to 28, shadows up to 67, whites minus 80, and blacks minus 12. Now in the top right hand corner of this section, you'll see the curve. This is your S curve. Now what you want to do is just tap those three positions there like I have, just literally just tap exactly where I tapped. You're going to tap another one in the bottom left corner, and you're going to lift the direct bottom left corner up a little bit, just so it has a little kick in the tail there. And in the middle one, you're just going to bring that up very slightly, just like that. Hit done. Bam, you're good. You can move on to the next module, which is color. Now the temperature is plus 19 for warmth. Bam, and plus 14 for the tint. Vibrance is down negative 20. And saturation's at 0. Okay, now to check the before and after to see how you're sort of progressing, you can just tap and hold down on the image itself, and you can see how much we've done already. So now we're looking at the mix. So top right hand corner of that module, you see the mix with the circle colors. Hit that, and now you have each individual colors which you can control individually, which is really clever. So you got your hue for red, that's going to be minus 13. The saturation is going to be plus 2, and luminance is plus 58. Move along to orange. Hue is minus 9. Saturation is minus 9. And luminance is 16, plus 16. Yellow is hue minus 13. And the rest are 0, so just leave them. Moving on to green. Hue is plus 15. Everything's 0. Moving on to teal. Hue is 57. Blue is at 22 for hue. Saturation is minus 20, and the luminance is plus 14. Bam. So we can do a little before and after. It's coming alive. You can see the earthy textures are starting to come through. For purple, hue is plus 34. And the rest is 0, and the pink, the rest is 0, magenta, whatever. Hit done, you're all good to go to the next module, which is effects. Texture is fine at 0. Move your clarity up to plus 52. And just with your vignette, just move that down to minus 5. Okay, now top right hand corner of that module, you'll see the split toning. Here in your highlights, you want a temperature of 73 degrees. Saturation is 14. So the whole idea here is the saturation is you'd slide it up, and that's 100% saturated. So you want to move left or right, and that changes the hue. The hue was 73, so move that to 73, and then just slide your thumb down. It's a little bit finicky. Slide your thumb down, and then you see that saturation changing down to 14. And the shadows, same vibe. We're going 199 degrees, and the saturation is 11. So usually with your split toning, you want to be pretty subtle with it. You don't want to go too over the top, because subtlety is it's like less is more almost with photography and editing color anyway. You just want to go subtle, and it's a little bit more professional that way. It looks a little bit more, less amateurish. So there we go. So those colors are starting to look really nice there, the before and after. Ooh, yeah. This is when we're in Blangle State Forest and we're just doing a mad Ural shoot. It was awesome. It was sick. Such a good time. Good hang. Okay, now the details, which is the next one. Boom. You just want to sharpen it, say around 40, 47. And masking, you want to go to 64. Bammo, that's it, you're done. That's the preset, before and after. So now, all you have to do is hit the top right hand corner to the 3 little dots there. Boop. Hit create preset, name it whatever you want. Name it self-isolation preset. Hit the little tick, bam, it's gonna save it in user presets. Now you go to presets down the bottom right hand corner, find a self-isolation preset, and bam, there it is. That's the full version. Obviously, you know, if you want to crop to Instagram, if you want to go to stories, it's 16:9 or 9:16. The top left hand corner makes it all vertical. So that'll be for your story right there. Looks really good, looks nice and full, and boom, we can post it up and everyone's looking at it going, whoa man, whoa. How did you do that? This is how you did it. If you want to post to Instagram for your feed, it's 5:4. And that's the perfect resolution for Instagram. There you go, it's that easy, it's done. You've got it forever now, it's yours, you can keep it. Put it on all your photos, tag me in it, use hashtag MFZ presets, or just like, you know, if you put it in a post, in a story, just tag me in it and I'll come and check it out. I wanna see all your work. But that's yours to keep forever during these, you know, tough times in isolation where we're stuck here. So I thought I would just give you this to you guys as something to do. Maybe it'll spark a little bit of creativity and you might just start shooting all these little cool things around your place. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like that video, make sure to hit like and subscribe to keep up to date with all the happenings with MotoFeels at the moment. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay indoors, have fun with this preset, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. How's the foggage here? This is the what? I can't see, I can't breathe in this thing. It's so hot. I'm never gonna wear this. I'm never gonna wear this.